Hello everyone! In this video, we will have the much awaited unboxing of the newly launched product called PouchPASS. A little background about this product. PouchPASS is a new solution to screen and check body temperature of individuals and masses using a temperature monitoring wristband. The box design is fairly straightforward. It shows a guide on where to download the PouchPASS app, and the box also includes details of the band and its key features, which includes up to 6 months battery life, the capability to sync via Bluetooth, lightweight design, and of course, dust and water resistant. So, let's see what's inside the box. So here's the usual stuff you see inside. You get your terms of use and warranty leaflet, and of course, the PouchPASS user manual. It is a complete manual from how to create a PouchPASS account, to pairing your wristband to your mobile application, to using the app, and of course, monitoring your temperature. It also comes with a 3CR2032 battery. This is the usual button battery that goes inside calculators, watches, so on and so forth. And of course, the pouch band itself. So the PouchPASS I received came in the color charcoal, with the PouchPASS logo, of course, in the center. Nice bit of branding. It also comes in asphalt, sky, blaze, and fern. You gotta love the names. And last but not least, the Thermometer Beacon. It is said that it consists of a MAX 30208 clinical grade temperature sensor, up to plus or minus 0.1 degrees Celsius measurement accuracy. This, of course, is according to the Maxim integrated specification sheet. It allows you to monitor your exterior body temperature in real time. And through this, data will automatically be synced via Bluetooth to a local network and or your PouchPASS application. So enough of that. Let me put these together and put it on my wrist so you can see how it looks. There you go. Here it is, all snazzy, very nice, simple design. That's pretty much it for the unboxing video. If you would like to check PouchPASS, visit their Facebook or Instagram page at PouchPASS. Or you may also access their instructional videos on their website, PouchPASS.com. Until the next one, stay safe everyone. Thank you very much.